Are you tired of mundane roles and looking for an exciting challenge? Here's your golden opportunity. We're on the hunt for data engineering wizards in Airoli, Navi Mumbai. Experience 2+ wires. If you've got extensive experience with Hadoop, traditional and MPP databases, and any programming language, we want you. Can you code in Python, Scala, Spark, or Java? Familiar with PostgreSQL, Oracle, or SQL Server? How about Snowflake, Databricks, or Redshift? If you're nodding along, keep listening. Add Terraform, Docker, Kubernetes, and Jenkins to your tool belt, and you're our ideal candidate. Hold a B in computer science, IT, or any other engineering discipline? Perfect. Work timings are 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. IST, so you'll have your mornings free. Don't miss out. Apply now at vikrant@iglobal.com. Know someone else perfect for this role? Share this video and help them land their dream job. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to stay updated with more amazing opportunities. Catch you in the next one.